As far as I'm concerned, bird songs are for signaling, right? Like for marking territory, for impressing mate, for reproductional purposes, perhaps distracting aggressors. Anything else, really, Peter?
Well, I think it should be realised that birds that sing to attract a mate are usually those that cannot signal with colourful feathers or displays. They often live in dense habitats. If you think of the nightingale, which is a small, rather dull brown bird, which has a fabulous song, it lives in dense scrub, and so to reach its audience, both other males that it wants to warn off, and for females to attract, it sings an interesting song. And it's the selection by the females which fine-tunes that song, and their choices by natural selection cause the song to get ever more elaborate.